Right now, let's trade crypto arbitrage trading, where we'll be buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. Remember, all of this is P2P arbitrage, so it is all about buying low and selling high, centralized platform and decentralized platform. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that I can walk you on all you need and everything that will make you make double profit. And also make sure you click the link in my bio to join free arbitrage classes. So just go to your browser right now and click on just search ranquilly.com. That's where you get your arbitrage opportunities. So make sure you do the right thing. Make sure you sign in, and if you don't have an account, you just register and you verify your email and KYC. So after that, go to your to your centralized platform on P2P. Buy assets like USDT, BTC, or Ethereum worth 500 USDTs, then transfer them to Ranquilly. I've done so many videos of that, and I don't want to repeat myself, so you can watch my pinned videos and also learn. So after that, come and click on P2P arbitrage. After you fund your Ranquilly, you will unlock your arbitrage opportunities. Then now you don't buy here, you just sell, and we'll be selling USDT, so you can substitute. I'm selling USDT because it takes shortest time to be approved because of the blockchain, but you can substitute with other cryptocurrency. So you can see I'll be selling 500 USDTs, and there are two things here I want you to master. You can receive your profits direct to your internal wallet, or you can receive direct to your external wallet. What does that mean? You can trade crypto arbitrage trading. You buy assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and sell them here, and you receive in your Ranquilly account, or you can choose to receive in your external wallet, that is Binance, OKX, Mexic, and so on. All this you are seeing here. So for now, we'll be receiving in our internal wallet, but I'll get time and make another video where I'll be receiving in my external wallet. So just paste my Ranquilly deposit address, and together to just go tend to deposit an amount in Ranquilly, then you copy the deposit address, that's my address, then I review. So we are trading with the 500 USDTs, but you can see we'll be getting 568 after a deduction of 11.60 USDTs. That is a P2P fee for arbitrage trading. And remember, Ranquilly is escrow protected. I told you anything that is escrow protected means that your funds are very safe and they can't get lost. So you confirm the trade. Let's confirm the trade. You can see our trade is 500 USDTs. We'll be expecting 568, which means 68.40 USDTs is our take profit, which is not bad. And the trade will be going for around 30 minutes, but this guy, I hope he is online, so he'll pay even before that. So that's how you trade crypto arbitrage trading. If you have any question pertaining crypto arbitrage and anything, make sure you join my Telegram channel, YouTube too, so that you can learn more about this trading thing. So I'm out for now. This will be receiving an internal wallet, the next one external. Then I'll make a video also on how you receive in using trading bots. So let's make some good profits, guys.